Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're showing you how to get a flawless hairstyle in just 3 simple steps, easy, quick, and gorgeous. Step, prep and protect. Wash and condition your hair to keep it soft and manageable. Detangle gently, then apply a heat protectant to guard your strands before styling. Healthy prep means smoother results. Step, style and shape. Time to bring your look to life. Blow dry, curl, braid, or straighten. Go with your vibe. Work in small sections for that polished, salon finish. Step, finish, and shine. Tame flyaways with a light serum or all. Add shine spray for that glossy touch and seal with a soft hold hairspray. And that's it to 3 easy steps to stunning hair that lasts all day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty tips.